One of the greatest ways to communicate what you're trying to do or to make your process simpler is by talking to large groups, seminars, webinars, and group selling. And a lot of times people ask me, what do you do or how do I get a group? How do I get a company to go along with what I'm trying to do? Well, the 401k seems to have survived over the years. And so I think that the Babe Ruth bucket could get a piece of that pie in group selling as well. Here's how you go about it. Let's say that you're presenting to somebody, they're very excited about what you're doing, and they like what you got, and they want to do the infinite banking or the Babe Ruth bucket or the tax-free retirement, whatever you label it as, they're ready to go. You say, well, listen, here's a couple options. One of the options is we have to do this out of your checking account. You can pay it annual, or you can pay it every 6 months or every 3 months, whatever those options your company might provide. Yes? And so then you say, now, Mr. and Ms. Jones, let me ask you a question. Would it be more convenient for you if you were able to take this out of your paycheck and pretty much not see it? You wouldn't even mess it. Oh man, that would be great. Well, there's your start. There's your end. Now you say, well, it can't be that easy. Well, not necessarily, but you get the first part taken care of. That's the easy part. The individual wants it. Now today, the biggest problem companies are having is keeping employees and keeping them happy. That kind of stuff, yes? So then you say, listen, we're going to have to go ahead and start it with the Check-O-Matic or whatever they want to do first, and say it's going to take about 3 to 6 months for me to get in your company and get them convinced that this is what should be a good thing, not just for you, but for all your buddies and friends and ladies at work that you want to maybe have be a part of this as well. So make sure that when you're doing that, you go ahead and get started, and then you let them know the time frame that it might take. But it does take a little bit of time, but you got the first step done. He's going to put you where you need to be. She's going to put you where you need to be to get started with your first group sale. Yes?